city, I seek the beach. I look at the sea, as wide as a country. Or I seek a quiet lake, or follow a slow river. I climb in the mountain and feel like an adventurer. Under the sky, under the sun, next to the moon, where the stars reside. The weather changes, rain, wind, or snow and ice. A new wind. In nature lives every animal. The barking dog, the purring cat without fuss, the galloping horse, the singing bird in the sky, the silent fish in the water without much noise. Under the sky, under the sun, next to the moon, where the stars reside. The weather changes, rain, wind, or snow and ice. A new wind. Under a tall tree, next to a colorful flower, on the soft grass I read a book without worries or fame. Time stands still for a while, no hour, no minute counts, no second, only this moment that pampers and defines my heart. And time goes on again, day after day, Monday, Tuesday, the week flies a flag. Every month a chapter, every year a book, in the cycle of the season in which I look and search. Spring with flowers, summer with sun, autumn with leaves, winter then begins. Every season a mood, a color, a sound, and I learn the language of the earth without any flip-flopping or Twitter. From second to season, from Monday to year,